Good morning, everyone. I am so glad you are all here this morning on our first assembly. I'm really excited to see all your faces. Happy Wednesday. So I want to share with you a couple things that are happening today in our assembly. I'm going to share a little bit about tomorrow afternoon's events at 12:30 when we're dismissed, where we will be going. If there's any questions about that, Ms. Moody, Mr. Roden, and Ms. Mulligan are the people to help us with that. Second, I'm going to talk a little bit about, I'm going to let Ms. Ewald talk to us a little bit about our morning walk to school Wednesday. Then we're going to have the PTF share a little bit, and then we're going to have the PBIS team wrap it up with Steve the Stinger. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Mrs. Deschamps, and I am the assistant principal, and I'm very glad to be here. Ms. Casano is at a meeting with our high school seniors today, but she loves to be here, and she'll be here, I'm sure, next week. So first of all, for our places to go tomorrow at 12:30 when we are dismissed, all the K-2 students will be going to the K-1 common area. All K-2 students will be going downstairs by the K-1 common area, and your groups that you have signed up for will meet you there. The 3, 4, and 5, the 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade will go to the State Street cafeteria, and your groups that you've signed up for will meet you there. 6th, 7th, and 8th graders will be in the high school cafeteria. Okay? All right. I would like to bring up Ms. Ewald to share with us a little bit about how Walk to School Wednesday works.
Good morning. Today is Wednesday, so it was Walk to School Day, and I actually had one walker down at Price Chopper, but he was actually a junior in high school, Alex Townsend. He comes down and he helps every Wednesday. So yesterday, some of you told me you were going to meet me there, and I think you might have forgot or maybe slept in, but that's okay. And Miss Casano met some people up at the fairgrounds, and I heard she had 9 walkers. So that's awesome. It doesn't matter where you walk, that you walk. So Walking Wednesdays, what it's about is if you want to walk and your mom or dad can drop you off at one of the walking places, one is at the fairgrounds, which is up by the soccer fields and the tennis courts, and the other one is down by Price Chopper. So if mom and dad have to go to work and they head out of town that way, they can drop you off at 7 o'clock. Now I know it's early, but you get to get a wonderful walk. You get to see what it's like that morning and figure out, oh, is it going to be a rainy day? And I always bring extra umbrellas. And I heard today that the fairgrounds people actually had some rain. So a good idea is to dress for the weather. If you'd like to sign up to be a walker, I have some permission slips because we want to know who you are if you're going to join us. And also, I'm just going to put a little plug in. Sometimes we'll do a bike to school, and we have an international walk and bike to school start. It's on the first Wednesday in October, so I think it's actually October 3rd, and everybody is invited to walk. And we're going to try to do some incentives, some punch cards, so when you walk to school, you'll get a punch card. You can have Sandy, our crossing guard, punch your card, and we'll put them in a raffle, and every Wednesday, when we start getting some cards to pull, we'll pull some wonderful prizes like bike helmets and maybe some other kinds of lights to go on your bikes and different kinds of things. Lastly, today's PE classes that have bikes for biking, as of right now, it's pouring out, so we're not going to be doing biking, so we'll be inside today for physical education class. And we do have the bikes for 2 weeks, so if today we don't get to bike on Wednesday, next Wednesday, it looks like the weather is going to be okay, and we will get to do our safe biking activities. So I hope you'll sign up to come walk on Wednesday, and even if you walk from your house, you can get a punch card, and you can have Sandy punch it too. So the walking school buses are basically so you can walk if you want to, if you live too far from school. So like if you live 5 miles away, come join us from one of those places that I told you about. Any questions? We'll take one question. Okay, I think we're all set.
Okay. PTF, Ms. Moody has some things to share with us.
Good morning. I'm going to be super quick because I don't have a lot to share, but I did want to let you all know that as we've done last year, we're going to continue the tradition of the Student of the Month recognition. So the first Wednesday of the month, we will be recognizing those students who have gone above and beyond in different ways that your teachers have recognized. So teachers already have the forms. Students, keep up the good work. We're looking forward to a lot more kids up here on stage that we can hopefully recognize for all the good deeds that you do. And we're just looking forward to a great year. So welcome everyone, and we'll see you soon.
Good morning, everyone. We have an exciting little slideshow for you. We have to talk about this fabulous character right here. Some friends don't have any idea who this lovely guy is, and we need to tell them about it. So we're going to talk a little bit about PBIS today. First, these are our faces. I'm Mrs. Taft. This is Miss Ryan. There's Mrs. Dower, Miss Rice, Miss Knapp. We're your PBIS team. You'll see us up here a lot, filling up our friend, Steve. So let's do a quick review. I know I'm already seeing super respectful, responsible, safe bodies in this room, but I need to know if somebody can tell me what PBIS in our school looks like. What does PBIS look like in our school? I'm hoping one of these big kids can tell me. What is it like, Patrick?
Respectful, responsible, and safe.
Okay, so our expectations are respectful, responsible, and safe. You might have noticed this beautiful banner hanging down by the office. That's true. We are Yellow Jackets, and we are respectful, responsible, and safe. So I know you've been spending time with your teachers reviewing what respectful, responsible, safe looks like in the cafeteria, on the playground, in the hallways, in the bathroom, and in this beautiful auditorium. So I'm hoping somebody can give me an example of respectful, responsible, or safe behavior in this auditorium. What does it look like to be respectful, responsible, and safe in our auditorium?
Being quiet.
Exactly. It looks like being quiet. And I'm seeing lots of bodies sitting safely. What about in the cafeteria? What is it like to be respectful, responsible, and safe in the cafeteria?
Don't throw food at other people and don't hit them.
Yeah, we're keeping our hands to ourselves and our food on the tray. What else does respectful, responsible, and safe look like in the cafeteria?
Throw away your food when you're done.
Good one. We're taking care of our garbage. What about on the playground? Respectful, responsible, or safe on the playground?
Don't swing with putting your knees on the swings.
Ooh, we're sitting on the swing safely, Isabel said. Good one. Something else on the playground. Respectful, responsible, or safe on the playground?
Don't climb up the slide.
My favorite one. We're not climbing up the slides. How about one more respectful, responsible, or safe on the playground?
No play structure. No balls on the playground.
Ooh, good one. No balls on the play structure. What about in the hallways? What does respectful, responsible, safe look like in the hallway?
No running.
Ooh, good one. We're walking in the hallway. How about something else in the hallway?
Being quiet.
Being quiet. I know my third floor, fourth, fifth, sixth graders, we're working really hard at that this week, being quiet. What about respectful, responsible, safe in the bathroom?
Don't pee on the ground.
Good one. Using the stuff appropriately. What about something else in the bathroom? Respectful, responsible, and safe.
Throwing your trash away.
Good one. Throwing your trash away. Okay, we have all year to work on these respectful, responsible, safe expectations all over our school. And if we're respectful, responsible, safe, we might earn something called a... You bet. Okay, if we do something with those striped coins, we might earn something called a celebration. True or not true? You bet. So some whole school celebrations that we've done, a really fabulous whole school hike. We've gone tubing and ice skating. We play water games. We might do some tie-dye. We might do a little maker space fair. So, let's have a great year, earn those stripe coins, and earn lots of celebrations.
We have one, I don't know if you remember last year, but last year for our kindergartners, we did a little slideshow where we introduced the teachers. Does everybody remember that? This year, I'm going to turn it over to Mrs. Dower, and we're going to play a little Guess Who. If you can't guess mine, you need some glasses. When we are done, then we're going to collect our coins and see how far we have gone.
Are we ready to play this Guess Who game? So, before your teachers were teachers, we were students also. So I know it's not Thursday, but we're gonna do a little throwback of some old pictures to see if you guys can guess who your teachers are. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. I know this is a little blurry, but if you can see the face and you can tell what she's wearing, I bet that you can figure out who this is.
Miss Casano.
Let's see. This is Principal Casano. All right, I did a little Facebook stalking to find this picture. I want us to all take a look at this lovely picture for a minute and see if we can figure out who this is. Do you know who this is?
Mr. Stamp.
Assistant Principal Deschamps. Awesome job, Marcus. Now, it's kind of not hard to figure out this one because he looks exactly the same. Who is
The high school gym teacher.
he was the high school gym teacher, wasn't he? Do you remember his name? Okay. Oh, I'm coming.
Mr. Meager.
Mr. Meager. He looks exactly the same, and he obviously loves to wear blue shirts. We need to look at this one for a little bit. This is so cute. Who is this?
Miss Ryan.
Miss Ryan. Oh. Now I wonder who this could be. This is a super cute picture. Tatum, do you know who this is? You guys know who this is?
Mrs. Taft.
Aiden, I love you. Hey, Aiden, who are you sitting next to?
Isabel.
That's not Isabel.
I think I know. Miss Wall.
Miss Wall. Shh. Quiet voices, guys. Quiet voices. Shh. Remember, our expectations were quiet in here, right? Who is this?
Miss White.
Miss White. I wonder who this is.
Miss Wyatt.
No? Okay, I see how you can think that.
Miss Westgate.
Miss Westgate, let's see. Yes. Okay, shh. I'm gonna come down here to first grade. Ryan, I know you know who this is.
Mr. Gordon.
Mr. Gordon. Okay, shh. Let's see who we have next.
Miss Rosado.
We are looking at the little girl in this picture. Here, I'm gonna fall.
Miss Taft.
No. Listen, friends, you're gonna know Miss Taft when you see her picture, okay? This is not Miss Taft. Tater. That is not Miss Angie.
Miss Rice.
No, that is not Miss Rice. Second. I know that I can trust these trusty third graders to tell me who this is.
Miss Morris.
Miss Morris. Oh my Lanta. Okay. Tatum, I know you know who this is.
Miss Angie.
Let's see. I know you guys should know who this is. Nicola.
Miss Rice.
Is it Miss Rice? It sure is. Friends, I cannot keep going until our voices are off. I'm going to come down here to see if one of our smart kindergarten kids knows who this is. Calvin.
Miss Knapp.
Is it Miss Knapp? Yay!
Miss Taft.
Nope, this is not Miss Tapp. Okay, I want you to think about something. I also included our specials teachers, so I wonder.
Miss Ewald.
Nope, this is not Miss Ewald.
Miss Keeney.
Not Miss Keeney.
Miss Krantz.
Not Miss Krantz.
Miss Allie.
Not Miss Allie.
Miss Powers.
Not Miss Powers.
Miss Kohler.
Miss Kohler, let's see. Good job. He's guessing Mrs. Lawyer. Yes. Okay, guys, voices down, please. Let's see what we have next.
Miss Taft.
I told you guys you would know who she was when you saw her picture. Can we see who it is? No. Okay, Friends, voices off, please. Voices off. Shh. I can't keep going if we're not showing our expected behavior. Thank you. I just love this. Wait, I'm going to come up here.
Miss Goldschneider.
Go ahead. We can't hear her because we're being too loud.
Miss Goldschneider.
Nice job. Oh. Okay, shh. Shh. I don't think our kindergartners know that we have our very own cat in the hat who works with us every single day. Can you tell us who it is?
Mr. I.
Mr. Ives. Oh. Shh. Friends, we need to be respectful when we're in here, okay? Let's see if we can figure out who this is. Can't...
Miss Cron.
Miss Krantz. Nice guesses. These guys up here. You think you know who it is?
The art teacher.
I love you. Nope, this is not Miss Keeney.
Miss Powers.
Nope, this is not Miss Powers.
Miss Ewald.
Not Miss Ewald.
I don't know. Miss Osgood.
Miss Oscar?
No, Miss Osgood's what they're guessing. All right, friends, we have a few more left. We have lots of great teachers that work here with us every day.
Miss Keating.
Okay, so this is not a picture of this person when they were younger, but this is a bit of a throwback to a big accomplishment that this person did. Do we know who this is?
Miss Ewald.
Miss Ewald. Okay, who knows what this is?
The Windsor School.
This is our school back when it was built. Now let's see what we look like. And this is our school now. So a little throwback to our school. Okay, voices off. Shh. Voices off so we can fill Steve the Stinger. Shh. Friends, we are all here in this school because of you. This school is all amazing because of the students that are in it. So we need to keep being safe, respectful, and responsible to earn those stripe coins so we can fill up Steve and we can have lots of fun celebrations.
All right, 6th grade, let's show them how it's done. Bring your chips down safely and quietly. Oh, does everybody remember how we do our silent cheer? Can you show me what that looks like? Kindergarten, 1st grade, show me what that silent cheer looks like. Fifth grade, come on down. Fourth grade, come on down. Third grade, come on down. Second grade, come on down. First grade. Thanks, Grayson. Thanks, and kindergarten. Did you guys bring your chips? Come on up. Hi, Melina. Thank you. We got it. Boys and girls, I have to say, we did this in, 3 days? 3 days. We did Thursday, Friday, Tuesday. So in 3 days, we did a little more than a third of our tube. So what do you think is going to happen when we bring out Steve again in 2 weeks? What should happen? We should make it to the top, and I can't wait to see what that celebration is. You did an excellent job, kindergarten especially. I know it's hard to sit still sometimes. Are there any more announcements? Kindergarten, have a great day.